Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project, Cloud Kitchen. I am using latest PHP version 8 and the MySQL version is also 8. This is a bootstrap theme. We have used the Studio Code ID. So these technology stacks we have used for development this project, and this is a responsive theme. If you click on inspect, you click on that, then you can see this is a mobile version of website. So this is a all of the mobile version. You can see. Okay. Now let's start the functionality of this project. Our project title is Cloud Kitchen, and we have developed this project with two different types of interface. First one is customer user interface, and the second one is admin interface. Both are totally different interface, but both are responsive, and we are using Bootstrap latest version. So this is a major project, and from this project, a student can learn a lot of things. Means how can create the database, how can you manage the database, PHP with CRUD application, create, update, and delete. Many of things you can learn. Let's start the features that we have developed in this project. So now this is a home page. This is a totally mobile responsive page. You can see we have added images here for sliding. You can see all image has been changed. If you click on that, now click. This is a about us page. This is a totally static page. Nothing dynamic in this page. This is a product us page. You can see all the food items which are coming from the database. This is a dynamic page. You can add the number of products like food items in your cloud kitchen from the database. Same for the categories. You can see we have added 8 categories of the food items. But you can add the number of food categories from the database because this is a dynamic page. Now this is a registration page. Here user can register here. This is a login page. Without login, you can't access the internal page. So you must have the customer account. And this is a contact us page. You can see this is a contact us page. This is a static page, but we have integrated a small map here. So this is home page. Now this is a product page. If you want to know about aloo methi, you can click on that. You can see the food items details. You can add the number of items here and click on add to cart. This is a restrictions page. So without login, you can't buy the any food item. So you must have the user account on this portal for buying any food items from the cloud kitchen. So you can buy product if you have user ID. So user ID is amit@gmail.com. Amit and password is test. We go to the product page. Click on this is a customer dashboard, but first click on the products page. Chicken rice, click on this view details. You can add the number of items. Click on the add to carts. This is two items added into the cart, and you can see the total amounts get calculating automatically, and the total amount, that much amount you need to pay. After that you can click the proceed button. Proceed to checkout. This is a make payment page. This is a dummy payment page. Nothing dynamic in this page. Nothing real. Click on the make payment. You can see your payment has been done, and this is the order summary. You can see your order details from the my orders page. You can see the dashboard. This is a great dashboard. You can see you have placed the 21 orders, 22 confirmed orders. Like just click on the eye icon. You can see the order summary. You can see all of the order details, and then this is the important links here. From this, or either you can go on the page from this, or either clicking on this page. So this is a my account page. Here user can easily update his account, and this is a change password. So this is all about the front end thing. And then one last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see this administration option is showing, logout option is also showing, and dashboard option is showing also. If I log out, then you can see the system is checking who is login, and accordingly that upper menu displaying. So this is all about the front end panel what we have developed inside this project. Now comes on the admin panel. For admin panel you need to open admin, so slash you need to log in, right? So without login you can't access the internal page. So the admin user is admin@gmail.com, and the password is admin@gmail. Password is test. Clicking on the sign in. Oh, this is a user dashboard. You can see. Sorry, this is a admin dashboard. You can see very attractive dashboard. You can see here. You can see total orders, total delivered order, confirmed order. So you can see everything from here. So this is a dashboard. Even this is a drag and drop thing, because you can minimize it from here. If you can refresh the page, you can if will comes again, you can maximize the like this. You can maximize and minimize the quick menu. So this is the quick menu. From here you can go, you can see this is a menu. If you click on that menu, will be hide. Me- This is all products. You can edit from here. Register, registered customer, available categories, all orders. You can see all things on the admin dashboard. Now click on the product management. Click on the add to product. Here admin can easily add new product from this page. And same, this is a product report. You can see all product report, and easily you can edit from here. You can see the product report is in edit format. You can see all the product report data, and you can export the data as well as CSV, as well as Excel, as well as PDF. If you want to click on column visibility like a image, you can see the image has been not showing. Now click on that, then you can see image has been visible. You can see there is a basic pagination. So same for the category management. Click on the add category. You can admin can easily add the new category from here. This is a category report. You can see all the category report from here. You can easily edit and delete category report. Order management page. This is all order management page. You can see all orders report. If you want to click on view button, you can see the order has been confirmed. But if you want to cancel the order, click on the cancel and update. Now you can see the order has been cancelled. This is a customer management. Add customer page. Here admin can easily add new customer, and this is a customer report. You can see all the customer report which admin has been added. This is a change password. Here admin can easily update his password, and this is a logout option. You can admin can easily log out. So this is the admin panel. You can see the view of admin panel and the view of user panel both. So we have developed these two different types of view for the managing this whole project Cloud Kitchen. So this is all features we have developed inside the project Cloud Kitchen. If you want to, if you want any type of enhancement features, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirements. So please don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.